Billy truck, yeah, that's my choice to ride. Always keep some bitches on the side, yeah, yeah. Don't stand too close, my diamonds gonna bite.
The fucking ground. Alright, you're coming with me. I have your friend, I'll fucking kill him if you drive. I'm gonna kill your friend.
Stop, you fucking idiot. Stop. Stop the fucking vehicle, bro.
Never mind, I'm fucking
Oh, what
dumb.
the fuck?
Alright, get on the ground. If you call the police or anything, I will shoot your friend.
Yo, just put them both in the back of the car, bro. Tell them to drop their clothing in the car. Let's get them out of here.
You to drop the clothing in your phone.
Holy sh... What are you doing?
You didn't let go. Drop your fucking phone. In the car.
That cunt just tried to fucking ram me, bro. I got cops behind me, bro. Tell them you got a hostage. Tell them you have a hostage.
Stay in the fucking car, hostage.
You got two more cops coming.
Get fucked up. Get in.
Go to the construction site now, bro. Go there now. I'll post up on top. Yo, bro, I'm at the fucking construction site.
And run to the stairs, come on. Get out of the car, hurry. We have a hostage. We have a hostage. Go, go, go. Get up here. Inside the building. There you go. Yeah. Here, let me take him. Wait, stop in there. Fuck. Here, just run upstairs. We have a hostage. Fucking hit. Like, what the fuck?
Did they just fucking shoot at you?
We have a hostage.
Yeah.
Hostage, get here.
On the ground. Come here, stop moving.
A hostage. They don't care.
Oh my fucking god.
Yeah.
We have a fucking hostage. You guys wanna fucking negotiate now?
Yo, come to the
Jesus
top
Christ,
floor, bro.
stand up. Stand up.
Got him.
Alright. Fucking retard cops. Let's go to the top. We have a fucking hostage. Stop shooting, you fucking idiots. Jesus Christ. Bring him up here. Fuck, they're gonna kill the fucking hostage like they already shot
Yeah,
him.
what the fuck is
fucking
this shit,
dumb.
man? Does he? Yo, you need a bandage? Hostage, you need a bandage?
No.
He's good. Alright, cover the fucking stairs.
We gotta be careful of that hell over there, bro.
Do you wanna
Yo.
fucking negotiate?
Have the hostage, bro. Face at the stairs. Oh my, what the fuck? What is going on?
Fuck them. I fucking killed one. Fuck them if they're gonna.
Oh my,
I'll fucking
we do with the
negotiate
hostage?
because we
You
can
got a
shoot
gun
back
hostage?
too.
I
We
don't
have a
know.
fucking gun to his head.
I just have my hat and my glasses.
We have a fucking gun to his head. But he fucking negotiate.
What a goddamn mess. It's a mess from the beginning.
They fucking saw me with him in my arms when they started shooting.
We gotta be
Like,
careful
why
of the
fuck would
ladder
they do that?
and that hell over there, bro.
Where are they?
I don't know, man.
They don't even want to fucking talk.
That's fucking bullshit. You guys open fire on
I
us
was
first,
never
buddy.
Shot. I don't know what the fuck you're talking about. You literally ran up and shot, and you fucking shot the hostage. So
Yo, fuck it. He's down, bro.
Stairway's just a fucking kill box.
Stay dead, motherfucker.
Yeah, I'm chilling on the third floor. Well, he's dead. There's a man wearing
It didn't have to go down like this, goddammit.
Right, it doesn't have to go down like this. Fucking put your firearm down.
Fuck you. You guys opened fire. We had a fucking hostage. Shows how much value you have. None. You guys let him die. We got 2 dead innocent men up here. All I wanted to do, man, I just wanted some money. That's all I wanted.
Maybe you should work a job like a normal fucking person.
I'm not normal.
Gathered that much.
Stay off the stairs, please. Stay off the stairs.
You one more chance. Place your firearm on the floor and your hands on your head.
Negatory.
Tori, alright, Ghost Rider, copy that.
Wanna know a secret? I just ran out of fucking food and had to eat. Where are you shooting from? I want Chief Keef played at my funeral. What do your officers want? Enough of them are dead.
Yeah, I can't see him over here. I can't see him over here.
Hello?
Yo, man, this is urgent. Are you able to pick me up?
Yeah.
I'm at the construction site. Can you pick me up?
Surrounded, man.
I've probably killed about half of them. Oh, wait, there's a lot more than I think.
There's way more than you think, man. They're coming in from all sides now.
Yo, man. You can at least try, bro.
I'm up at clothing factory.
If you just pull up close and tell me the colour of the vehicle, I'll try my best to make it to you.
I'm at clothing factory, so you'll have to give me a few minutes.
They're dropping like flies, I'll tell you that, so... It's okay, man, I can hold out a little longer. Got plenty more
You just get there and suss out the situation first,
Yeah.
yeah? And then I'll
Yeah.
figure it out from there, alright?
Cool. I just killed another one. I honestly don't think there's many left down there. Well, if they are, they're downstairs. Bro, fuck it. I'm gonna try to get out of here. I'm gonna go
Bottom floor.
I'm gonna go south side. Can you just drive in the compound and get to the south side? Let me know if you
Where
can.
I am. There's a gap where I am.
I'm trying to have a look. Hold on.
There's a gap in the fence.
Alright, okay, stay there. I'm trying to make it to you, bro. God damn it. The fuck? God.
And we saw where the car was, yeah? I'm turning off the lights.
I'm coming. You'll see me in a second, bro.
Get in now. And empty all your stuff into the car. Go.
Go. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah. Okay.
Men with shovels just attacked me at gas station.
What's going on, Caden? They attacking you?
I called the cops on them.
You boys leave this man alone, alright? You leave him alone. He's harmless.
You
The
better.
gas station owner, I'm doing my job, and he's the one that just stole my car.
You're the gas station owner.
Caden! Are you with us? Oh my... Where did...
Where the fuck did you pull that from, you funny cunt? Oh, I got it. I'm with you. Yeah, go. You pulled that from the fucking car.
That was sick.
What the fuck?
Go, get a car out and go pick him up. Get a car out and go pick him up, G. Where's the garage?
None. I've only got my... Yeah, I've got none now.
Oh my god.
That's why my...
Officer! We've got a man down. He's been assaulted by two guys over there with axes.
I'm down. 54, I'm right here.
79 plus 1's gonna be out with 54.
God damn it, where's that medic? Hang in there, buddy, hang in there. You're gonna be okay. You're gonna be A-okay.
The suspect is unconscious.
This is not the suspect.
Oh,
This
maybe
guy
we'll
is. This
stop
guy was assaulted. I witnessed it.
He was assaulted.
That's a suspect?
No, this
I
guy
can't
was
hear shit on the
assaulted.
radio. My radio's on.
I
This
called it
is the
in.
description that we got.
No, buddy, I called it in as this guy being attacked, alright, by two men.
Okay, what's the description of the bad guy then?
Okay, the bad guy was wearing, one of them was wearing a yellow, one of them was wearing yellow, and the other one was wearing a red, like the same outfit as this, and they took that big muscle American car, bro.
Be advised,
Camaro.
we got false information from somebody. The suspects are still going to be at large. There's going to be two of them. One's going to be wearing a yellow outfit. The other one is going to be wearing red shirt, blue jeans, left in some type of muscle car.
Yeah, they fucked him up, bro,
Camaro.
with pickaxes
It was
and
a
shit.
Camaro. It was a Camaro. White Camaro.
Black and flames, or is it red?
It was just white. It was a white car.
It's going to be white. It'd be by suspects fled in a white Camaro. Jesus Christ.
We need a medic. This guy's gonna bleed out. He's been here for
John,
a long time.
No clue. How'd they get red from white?
Thanks for saying that over
So funny.
That's DDMS. I still got a guy bleeding out here.
He's been here for
right
a
down
while,
the
man.
street
I
from
don't know if
the
he's
gas
gonna hang
station.
on much longer. This guy's in trouble. My God, Caden. He is. Fuck, I need to eat. 1 second, man.
16 seconds before I can as well.
That was a judge.
What the fuck was that shit?
That was a judge in the Ford.
And what's he doing?
Just called you out.
Eh?
That Ford just called Caden out for shooting him.
Yeah, that's my choice to ride. Always keep some bitches on the side, yeah, yeah. Don't stand too close, my diamonds gonna bite. I get drugs for the right price, yeah, yeah. She gon' eat this Molly like it's rice.